Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be creating red Isomalt shards and decorating a drip cake. So that our Isomalt shards have a bit of a rounder shape to them, I'm using the back of a silicone mat. This is the half sphere mat in a medium size. Spoon your Isomalt directly into the middle and give it a bit of a circular motion, bit of a helper there to drip over the edge. You'll find that the more artificial drips you create, the nicer it will look. If your Isomalt starts to thicken, pop it back into the microwave or where it belongs to be able to soften it out again. Every packet of Isomalt could be different, so follow the instructions on your packaging on how to melt down your Isomalt. Mine was in the microwave. Once they're set, after about 5 to 10 minutes, they can come off your mat. They will be hot, so make sure you are super careful and take them off maybe just when they're warm. Give it a bit of a tap just to see how they are for temperature. If they are a little bit on the warmer side, what you can do is, if they're still flexible, shape them a little bit. So just give it a very gentle tug and push in to make them a little bit more kind of cone shaped. For the ganache for our drip, I'm using dark chocolate buttons and cream. The ratio for this and recipe will be listed in the eye icon and in the description box below this video. Onto our prepared cake, I am adding on some gold leaf. If you'd like to see how to construct a cake, in the eye icon and the description box as well, I have a video listed for you there. If your silver leaf, sorry, I think I said gold leaf before, but I meant silver leaf. If your silver leaf doesn't stick to your cake, maybe brush it over with a little bit of water. You will want to make sure that your cake is nice and cold and firm so you don't mess up your buttercream. In you go with the ganache. I've cut a very small hole at the end of my piping bag. Small hole gives you a little bit more control. Pipe it over the edge. The longer you hold your piping bag there, the longer your drip will be. If you're enjoying these tutorials, feel free to subscribe. We do upload a new video every week. I've got another 32 piping tip and some regular white buttercream. I'll have a list in the description box and eye icon for a recipe for the buttercream. And then circular motions as you work around the edge of the cake. Fill in the center with whichever decorations you like. I've got some meringues, macarons, the cups, and chocolate. Apply the cups onto your cake with a little bit of buttercream and they look really awesome. I just wish I had a larger mold. I think the really big Isomalt shard cups will look fantastic. I do plan on making those in future once I figure out the mold. Or something else. I'll try to makeshift something that I can use and share it with you guys. Some white edible pearls as a finishing touch and some decorations on the side just to jazz it up a little bit. And you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. If you do, as always, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can see your awesome creations as well. And I'll catch you in the next video.